The world wasn't always as it is today. Many years ago, there was nothing or chose, and there was the mighty God. God made light and called it day. He then made darkness to separate it from light, and he called it night. He made the sky and the heaven above it, and with his power he raised the dry land out of the dark waters. He named the land earth and the water sea. He then made plants and trees to cover up the earth. He put light in the sky. The sun started to rise and begin the day, and the moon and stars took their place during the night. God filled the earth with all stores of creators. He made birds, fish, and animals to live and fill up the sky, the earth, and the sea. God was pleased with his creation, but he left that something was missing. He made men and women. He made them just like him to be his friends, to take care of his creation. God had finally finished making the heaven and the earth, so he wanted to rest and looked down from the heaven, peace that everything was going well.